Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce our exquisite marble flooring design collection where timeless elegance meet modern aesthetics. This curated collection is a celebration of the unparalleled beauty and sophistication that marble brings to interior spaces. Each design encapsulates the intricate pattern and natural variations found within the finest marbles, meticulously recreated to adorn your floors with a touch of opulence. So, friends, whether you are seeking to infuse a sense of luxury into your living spaces or aiming to create a harmonious blend of tradition and contemporary design, our marble flooring collection provides a canvas for artistic expression. Elevate your surrounding with the enduring magnificence of marble, meticulously crafted into stunning flooring designs that redefine the essence of redefined living. So friends, I hope you like this beautiful designs. If you like these designs, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest upcoming trends. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.